Hey there, YouTube. This is my anvil. It is a Peter Wright stamped 111, which is in hundredweights as far as the English weight system goes. It actually weighs 138 pounds instead of what the 111 indicates, which actually should calculate out to 141 pounds. And I believe the 100 weights is 112 pounds for a 100 weight, and then it's quarter hundred weights, which are 28 pounds, and then the third digit is whatever leftover pounds, so that should be 141 if my math is correct. But yeah, this is a Peter Wright anvil, and I'm thinking it's in like 1920s for its production. Has a 5 down on the front face, and it has very little damage to here. There's a little bit of damage from use. I'm actually the third owner, and it really doesn't have any problems. I mounted it on this piece of pine that I painstakingly chiseled the height so that my knuckles will lay on the surface of the anvil for when I'm actually swinging my hammer. Horn's in pretty good condition. It's not got quite as much uplift to it, but you know, the thing's probably close to 100 years old. And I think that's an N on the side. I'm not sure what that is. Please tell me in the comments below on what you guys as viewers know about that, or anything about this anvil for that matter. The stamp's not quite as sunk in as some of them I've seen. Looks like there's a little bit of a hardness testing from somebody's knife or something like that. Yeah, I'm the third owner. I put it in pine round, which I scavenged from a downed tree nearby to the house. It's not a bad looking anvil. I was pretty happy. It was pretty rusty when I got it. I took a wire wheel to it and cleaned it up pretty good. And yeah, that's it. My first anvil. Pretty happy with it. Paid $500 for it from a very nice couple that was selling it for their granddad. And I had to travel nearly 500 miles one way to pick it up. So thanks to you there, Grandpa, for this wonderful antique anvil, which I will put to use. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.